Hi, good morning. This is Badri from RSoft. Today, we are going to see a sales improvement CRM, which is Sales Robo. We are providing sales improvement CRM for the past 15 years in Indian market as well as to global customers. Today, we are going to see how the CRM works and how it's going to help you to increase your productivity by 200% and triple your sales, which is 300% you can increase your sales using the CRM software. RSoft CRM presents Sales Robo. So now we are going to see the dashboard of the software. This is the dashboard of all business CRM. So here you have all the modules from leads, appointments, quotation, calls, sales orders, equipments, AMC, service tickets. So you are seeing the dashboard where you have all the leads, new leads, re-engaged leads and missed follow-ups. Now we are going to see how the system works when you get a lead. For example, assume you're a customer, you're passing a lead through website and you're going to see how it is getting captured. Let's see, this is your website. For example, ABC company. They are into manufacturing, services, any kind of business it could be. So assume this is your website. So in this website, as a customer, I'm inquiring it. Okay. So I have given my mobile number. I have given my email address. I'm choosing what equipment I'm looking for. Just clicking on submit. So hardly take few seconds. Once I click on submit, the lead gets submitted. You can see the inquiry submitted successfully. Now we are going into the CRM and we are going to check the new leads. Yes, we got the lead. So this is the lead we have submitted just now. So you can see I have submitted my contact details here and the lead is in not attempted stage. So this is the summary of what happened as soon as I submitted the lead. When I submitted the lead, the system via API, it captured the lead. So as soon as the lead is being captured, the notification is sent to the executive. For example, this is the notification I get in the web as well as in mobile app. So as soon as the notification is sent to the executive, it welcomes the customer also. So what it does, it sends an email to the customer welcoming to your business. So you can see a welcome email is also received by the customer. So 1 minute ago. All these formats are completely customizable. So I'm going to show you just a sample format. So it will be completely customized and configured according to your business name and all your business details. So the next, as soon as the email also sent, the customer is communicated and welcomed in two modes of communication. So the system has sent an WhatsApp as well. So now you can see here the system has sent a WhatsApp. Welcome. Hello. Thank you for contacting us. Our team will review your request and get back to you shortly. So this is how efficient the system can welcome your customers and inform your staff that a new inquiry has arrived. So this is the basic of lead capturing system. Likewise, our system is capable of capturing leads from website, chatbot, Facebook, Google Ads, online portals like Just Dial, Suleka. From 360 degrees, all the leads can be completely captured into the system. So once the system captures the lead, the next thing it does is distribution of the lead. The system is completely AI based. So however you want, you can distribute the lead. For example, if you are a manufacturing company and if you are manufacturing 1 HP motor, 5 HP motor and 10 HP motor, if you want, you can distribute the 1 HP motor leads to a person A, and 5 HP motor to person B, and 10 HP motor to person C. Or let's keep it otherwise. For example, if you are a manufacturer based on Coimbatore, so you want to receive leads, you wanted to distribute leads of Tamil Nadu to person A, you can do that. If you want to distribute the leads of Maharashtra to person B, you can do that. If you want to distribute the leads out of India to person C, you can do that. The system automatically identified product wise, location wise, or any other specific requirement as per your company. The system automatically alerts and transfers the leads to the right person without any manual intervention. Our soft goal is mainly to connect the customer with your staff in less than 2 minutes, because within 2 minutes, if you speak to the customer, they remember that they have inquired, and more chances of getting to the next level of business, which is like a demo or appointment. So assume I am the salesperson who received this lead. So I'm going to call this customer. So I have an inbuilt cloud telephony. So I'm going to call now. So I have signed into my cloud telephony. So I'm clicking on. So I'm receiving a call from my side. As soon as I attend, this will be ringing up to the customer. So you can see my phone is ringing. So I'm picking up the call. Hello, mic check, test 1 2 3. Hello, mic check, test 1 2 3. So as soon as I speak to the customer, the call is completed. So what I'm going to do, whatever I spoke to the customer, I'm going to document. So spoke to the customer Monday morning 10 a.m. is ready for the demo. So this is one of the beautiful options which RSoft we have given. This is called quick action. Comparatively, very limited companies have this. For example, if you are using any other CRM, you will be going to multiple fields and changing it. But here, you can change all the possible options here and click on one click. So you're done with it. So if you are using any other CRM, you will be changing up the follow-up date here. You will be changing up the status there, and you will be typing up a comments here. But in RSoft, we have a very simple and useful option which is called quick action, which is really helpful for your executives to enter data when you have in large numbers. So you can see the comments and you can see the follow-up date has been changed, and the executive will be notified tomorrow morning as soon as the time comes in. So I have called up the customer. You can see the call log. So RSoft, the main unique option is all will be given in one single dashboard. For example, Badri have all the updates in one place, all the comments in one place, all the calls in one place, all the chat. Chat is nothing but a WhatsApp conversation. So all the appointments, how many times I have met, all the appointments will be in one place, all the quotations in one place. It's a very simple to use software, and with the simplicity what we have learned for 25 years, it has really been whatever we have been understanding based on the mentality of the users. It's really been used by a lot of people in a very simple and effective way. I'm going to see, so far I have shown you how you're going to call the customer and how you have spoken to the customer. Now you can see the recording of the call also. As a manager, you may need the recording of the call. It is critical for you to maintain your company integrity. For example, people may come and people may go. So you should have the proper data and you should have a proper recording of whatever commitment your company has committed to your customer, because it's the integrity of your business, not just that person. So we always recommend you to handle this recording and keep it for your future reference. So now you have seen how you're going to, now you saw like how you have been making calls to and fro to customers, and that's been documented in the single page. Now we are going to see how the conversation happens in WhatsApp. For example, most of the customers, when they are busy, they will not be able to respond to you via calls. So what we are going to do is like they are going to text you when they are free. So you're going to see like, hi ABC company, I saw in your website, call once free. Likewise, you can see whatever messages customers are typing, it automatically comes up. So you can confirm the time with your customer and then you can call them. Thanks for your message. Now we are going to see from an admin perspective how RSoft is going to be helpful for your usage. So from admin, you have the complete control of the software and your organization. So the first thing is dashboard. Now you're seeing all leads, today's follow-up, missed follow-ups. What if you just wanted to filter from a perspective? Either you can filter using user-wise, product-wise, or any special field-wise as well. For example, I'm just saving this as user-wise filter. I'm going to click on apply, and now I'm going to choose which user I wanted to filter the data. Let's assume I wanted to filter user. And click on apply to see you will be able to see the data of that particular user alone. So if you want to see a product wise, let's say I'm creating a new filter. Let's say I want to use a type. So lead type, I just wanted to see only customer. Just click on customer. I will be able to see the related data to that. Likewise, if you don't want any filter, you can see the clear filters. You can see the all data. Completely dynamic, and as per your usage, you can filter however you want to see the data. And it is module wise as well. So each and every module you can filter the data separately. Or if you don't want module wise, you can do the general filters as well. Our software is completely customizable. If you want to give colors for each and every filter, you can do a colors whatever you like as well. So one is dashboard, which is a real-time reporting whenever you want to see, like it's just like a bigger CCTV of your company where you can see the database metrics. So the next one, which is a very beautiful reporting system, which is called widgets. So you can see the widgets completely from a single perspective. You can add as many widgets you want. For example, if you want to see monthly who are the executive vice topper, you can add a widget. For example, what are the products which are selling this month in a top position, you will be able to add a widget. Likewise, you can add n number of widgets where you want to see the reporting, and then you will be able to monitor the same. From this widget, if you just click on this button, it will take you to the data and you will be able to see the data, and you will be able to narrow down what are the data which you need. For example, from this, you want to see Mr. A, how many records they have. Click on this data and it will navigate to the records of the person A. The next most important thing is targets. Targets, everybody working in the targets. So what if your staff is missing the target? So first, before your staff missing the target, you need to show them every day what they have achieved and what they are yet to achieve. So the statistic says if the person whom you expect the target to be met knows where exactly he stands, 90% of the people will try to achieve the target if they see the target every day and where they stand. So that is the main ideology in RSoft. We are showing the target to the executive straight away every day. So if they see, like for example, I'm supposed to get the business of 10 lakhs this month, if I see like 4 lakhs only I have achieved on 22nd of this month, so I will aim higher to achieve 10 lakhs. So my intention of achieving the target is more if I see like I'm where I stand now. So that is the main purpose, and this targets widgets dashboard are completely customizable. Main thing is next the filters. So you can create filter as many filters you want, and you can keep it as a dashboard, and you can create any conditional filter, and you can see the count, sum, average, percentage, everything here. All these are completely customizable as per the. So you can create the fields however you want, and you can arrange the fields however you want. For example, if you want the lead type to be above company name, just click on update list. All the filters will be gone. So all these fields are completely customizable, and you can change it whenever you want. So now the next thing what I'm going to show you about data import. For example, you're going for an expo. We do have an automated solution where you can capture all the leads directly. In case if the expo person is giving you a database of the entire expo, how you can import the data. It's a very simple solution. Within 2 minutes, you can import the data. Let's say, click on actions and click on import and choose a CSV file. And click on next. Now you will be able to match the files, and you will be able to import in few seconds. So now the import has been started, and within 10 seconds you are able to create 20 records. So very simple way you can import the leads, and all the leads which has been imported you can see here. The main thing during the import option is you can assign the import to the multiple people in the import option. For example, you have 100 leads and you have 5 executives. So you will be distribute the leads during the import itself for 5 executives. I will show you where it says. For example, you have an option called assign to. You wanted to give this 20 leads to only do these 2 people, you can click on this 2 and then click on import, so that you will be able to import this lead directly to them, and they will be able to see the lead in their dashboard. It is a very simple tool, and you will be able to import how many ever data you want, up to 1000 data in just 15 minutes. Okay. So the next main core system advanced functionality is advanced report. We have a AI based advanced report, and we are going to show you this is equivalent to a business analytics. Any system you buy or any system you develop, the reporting is the ultimate king. If you have the reporting very strong, you will have the complete control of your business. Likewise, RSoft is very strong in reporting, and we have dashboard, widgets, targets, as well as business intelligence based AI based report. For example, we have standard 20 to 25 reports, beyond which also you can create the report like this however you want. All our reports are completely export to Excel option is also available, and you can filter the reports by whatever options which are there in the filter. And you do have charts, and you do have module wise reports, and you can filter it. So these reports are completely equivalent to business intelligence software. So you need not to have a BI software separately. You can do the reporting completely in the RSoft. It is not like another CRM where you have to purchase the BI reports. This is inbuilt BI reports, and you can group column wise, you can group row wise, and you can do calculations. So this software is completely powerful with reports. You can see a lot of softwares in the market which looks like just an extended version of Excel. So if you are going to go for any software, please compare with the CRM software. Before comparing, what is CRM software? CRM software handles all kinds of communication with the customer. CRM software should be completely scalable. For example, a lot of market which are having a very cheap pricing will have just one module. It is not completely scalable. So if you, for example, in RSoft, if you go for a pre-sales, you will be able to scale to sales and after sales and thereon. And you do have customizable modules and new features, API, incoming API, outgoing API, better reporting. So that is called as a CRM software. For example, you know the market leaders like Zogo, Lead Squad, and also RSoft are equally important. If you compare a software which is like an extended version of Excel like TeleCRM, GoDial, Neodo, then absolutely they are like a ready-made extended version of an Excel. That is not a CRM at all. So CRM is something like Zogo, Freshdesk, Lead Squad, Salesforce, like that is a CRM. So please compare us with that softwares. So in the reporting system, as I showed you, we have all the standard kinds of reporting and advanced kinds of reporting. Also, we do have scheduled reports. So you can schedule your reports to your email and also WhatsApp. For example, as a business owner, I may not monitor email, but I will monitor WhatsApp. So if you want daily reports at 6 o'clock in your WhatsApp, RSoft will send you a scheduled report 6 o'clock sharp, whatever reports you're asking in your WhatsApp. So it is easy for you to access from anywhere. So you can share the reports to your colleagues as well. For example, if you're going for a holiday and you want another person to monitor your reports, you can share the reports to your colleagues as well. So likewise, RSoft is completely configurable, customizable, and used by large enterprises. So RSoft you can trust upon. The main thing is like if a person is going on leave, you can stop the incoming leads. For example, in the leads, you have an on-off button where you can stop the inquiries if they are going for a leave, so that you need not to have a lot of complex workflows. Simple thing, for example, you are a manager and one of your teammate is going on a leave. So just click on off, he will not get new inquiries. So once he comes back from the leave, you can click on and you can simply enable the inquiries automatically. It's just a click of button. So hope I have covered the basics of the CRM. If you still have any questions, feel free to keep in touch with us. All kinds of industries like healthcare, banking, manufacturing, services, all kinds of. We serve more than 12 industries in India as well as abroad. So our CRM is completely configurable, customizable as per your SOP. We have given from 3 users to 3,000 users and they are successfully using the CRM for more than 10 years. So you can, this is just an overview. I have showed you just 10% of whatever it is possible with us. So whatever you have requirement as per your company, you can call us and we can have a detailed discussion and explain all the possibilities. And once you're happy, we can able to deliver the software. And moreover, when you give us any customization, we hardly takes just few days, let's say 2 days, 3 days, maximum 1 week. So if you ask for intense customization, we take at least few weeks. So likewise, we do have various flavors in the CRM software. You can check what exactly, and before buying, you can consult with us and we can explain to you what are the possibilities, how we can help you in your business so that you can buy the right solution. And once again, thank you so much for your time. Hope I have given a basic overview about the software, and RSoft is completely unique as well as advanced, as well as it is very helpful for small, medium and micro businesses to grow from scratch to a enterprise unicorn. Hi, we are going to see the mobile app now. I would say this is the simplest mobile app and will be a delight for each and every caller or your staff. For example, it's not about recruiting a lot of people. It's about getting the work done to their best from the people what you have. For example, if you have 10 people and if you're getting the 100% results from them, That's nothing like it. The business will prosper, the employees will grow, and the customers will be happy. So I would say not just RSoft CRM, any CRM you go, when you start your business, go with CRM or any kind of tool which will ease your employees and help them to be productive and efficient. So now whatever you saw in the system, the same will be seen in the mobile app as well. So for example, I'm having 105 new leads. So very simple way the mobile app will be looking like. Whatever you have been doing from the system, the same or better options are available in the mobile app. Our mobile app are available in Android as well as in iOS. So a lot of functionalities available in the mobile app. For example, if you're speaking to the lead, you can enter the quick action from here and you can type over the comments. Let me tell you how to do that. Spoke to the customer, so please educate that customer about our products. Okay, this auto comments will be a very good delight. For example, people who's worried about the spelling mistake, they can type in easily with this. So once you click on the save, automatically this record is saved. So we have a very specific option called auto dialer as well, which will be able to show in the next area. So this mobile app is very simple, and from the mobile app you can follow up leads, you can create quotations, you can handle appointments, and you can check into the appointments. For example, if your callers are able to, if your salesperson is visiting a customer's place, he need to check into an appointment. So where he is able to check into the appointment. So let's say I'm a salesperson who's visiting this lead Raju. So as soon as I step into the place, I should click on this check-in button. And with this check-in button, you will be able to capture the location of your sales staff. And you will be able to capture how long he was in that appointment, what is the outcome of the appointment, and after that obviously our feedback is going to go once the appointment is completed. So once the appointment is completed, I'm just clicking on checkout. So now you see how effective it is, and you can see what location is being captured. You can see here. So he was there, the user 1 was checking in at 42 and 43, and you can see the location in the map. So this is the location where the salesperson checking in, and you can see how long the salesperson was available. Here you can see that. So likewise, you will be able to track your field sales executive from their attendance to day in to day out, and what are the activities they have done. Everything you will be able to capture using the mobile app. So mobile app is very simple and effective. And you can add leads using the mobile app, and again you will be able to create a quotation within 2 minutes in the mobile app. Earlier, when you send your field executive, they will capture all the requirements of the customer and then come to you for the quotation. But now with the power of RSoft and AI, you will be able to deliver a beautiful quotation just like this in just 2 minutes, and you can on spot give the quotation, and if the customer is happy and convinced, you can collect the payment instantly. So we do have integrations with the payment gateway as well. So everything is completely automated, and there are not going to be any bottlenecks in your system. So that efficient your system is going to be. So now I'm going to show you how the attendance systems works in a mobile app. For example, as soon as your staff starts the day, they need to click on the day end. So as soon as they go for a break, they need to click on break start, and they come out of the break, click on break end. So likewise, they can sign up till the day, and you know how long they have been working in the system. So it's a very simple to use, and any newcomer within 2 hours, he will be able to learn the system. For example, just tell your staff that they need to do only 3 tasks per day, which is clearing up the new lead, clearing up the re-engaged lead, and clearing up the today's follow-ups. So only those 3 things they need to do. If they are done with that, they have done a very good job. And if they're coming back from a leave, they should clear up the missed follow-ups. So this is a very simple and effective system. The reason why I'm saying this is because all the calls, enquiries, entries, everything will be in one place and handled within the 3 buckets. So that simple our system is.
So we have an auto dialer functionality as well. I will post a video on the same. AI based auto dialer, which is going to be the trendsetter of real estate calling system. So this is a very new technology which has been introduced first in India by RSoft. For example, if your telecallers are making 150 to 200 calls per day, without any additional effort, they will be effortlessly make 250 to 300 calls a day using this auto dialer. So now we are going to see how this auto dialer works so that you can understand what I mean. So first, if I have more calls, I can use this auto dial. For example, today I have 113 new leads. To call this, it will be a difficult task to dial one by one number and back to back. So what I'm doing is I'm going to use auto dialer and show you how easy, like a cakewalk, I'm doing 113 calls. So first I'm clicking on the new leads. So now I see the list of calls I'm supposed to make. So in the bottom right corner, I have a AI auto dialer icon. So this is an add-on product from RSoft. You will be able to purchase it and use the auto dialers. There are 2 types of auto dialer. One is just with the call log, another one is call recording. Only in Samsung phones or non-Google dialer phones, currently the call recording is available. To start the call through AI, click on the AI button in the bottom right corner. So I have clicked on the AI button. Now the list is being loaded into the queue. So what I'm going to do, I have 2 options. Either I can start from the middle in case if I'm coming from a break. So or I can start from the top. From the top, I can dial the call. So first call I'm going to dial. So I have disconnected the call because it's the demo system. So likewise, your telecaller can dial the call and update the status. In this blue pop-up, you can see like whom you're dialing and whatever the comments you have already spoken, you will be able to see. And in the bottom left corner, you can see who is going to be dialed next and how many calls I have remaining. So after I speak with the customer, I can click on the update button. So this auto dialer really goes well with Bluetooth headsets. So if you're buying a very good noise cancellation headsets like OnePlus and Samsung phone, more than a computer, this AI-based auto dialer will give you very, very productive results. Almost 5,000 plus telecallers are using this auto dialer and seamlessly, effortlessly handling their calls, and they're very happy about using the system. So I have completed the call. Now I should update and then only the next call will be triggered. So I can change. This is a follow-up and I can change for tomorrow. So now I'm not going to type the comments. Instead, I can use my voice and type the comment. Customer is busy at the moment, so he said he will call me back. So this is the power of AI. Now, while I'm on the auto dialer, I will be able to send WhatsApp message to a customer using a single template, and I can do by WhatsApp Business API, or I can use my mobile WhatsApp also. So I can send an SMS and I can send an email as well. So these are the basic requirements on time-consuming options for each and every telecaller. So we have given it in a very handy way. So once you complete the call, there are 3 options in the bottom. Either I can submit a next call, or I can redial this customer, or I can submit and stop. If I am going for a break, I can do submit and stop. or I can click on submit and next call. I'm going to show you one more time how this auto dialer works. You can show up whatever the fields you like and your telecaller like in the top. The 5 fields are completely dynamic and comments completely will show. And as you see, like I have made the second call and it is showing like 89 calls are remaining. So likewise, you can fire the calls back to back. So this is the new technology. Please use the power of AI and give the comfort of your telecaller to give more risk. So this RSoft is very, very affordable. Please contact your sales manager for your auto dialer today. And we do have trial options as well. So you can try out the product. In case if you are happy, you can purchase the auto dialer.
Yes, we are going to see how we can interact live with our customers in the WhatsApp, because most of the customers, they don't take unknown calls. If they think the call is not right for them, they will not be able to pick it up. But in WhatsApp, 98% of your customers tend to answer your queries. So WhatsApp is the trending one, and all our customers are very happy that they're able to communicate and connect with the customers in spite of a lot of TRI regulations. For example, we have replied thanks, and we can ask the appointment directly in the WhatsApp. What time can we meet directly regarding the demonstration? So this is completely like a WhatsApp chat, and if the customer is able to see the message, you will be able to get the blue tick as how your WhatsApp works. So you can see, like, as soon as I saw the message, you can see the blue tick. So you can send files even. For example, you can send your company brochure, and you can send the company brochure to customers, videos, everything. So how you do your WhatsApp, everything will be very simple and easy, similar to your WhatsApp. See, you can say the company file. So what I would say is, like, 100 people, even 100 people chatting from WhatsApp, every lead will be able to see only their conversation. And as an admin, you will be able to track this conversation in a very simple and effective way. So let us use the WhatsApp's power and take our business to the next level. So we have a power of WhatsApp, we have a power of email, we have power of calls. So all this together, we can increase our efficiency by 200%. And we can easily scale up our sales by 300%. So I have communicated to the lead whatever it is, and before going to the appointments, I just wanted to inform one more beautiful option what everybody is been looking for. So for example, if you're trying a customer and he's not able to attend your call, or if you're not, you can leave a message. For example, if you're doing an R&R, like if your customer is not responding, so automatically the system will send a WhatsApp message, email message to let them know, like, you have tried from so and so company but you couldn't reach, so that they will get back to you as soon as possible. So moreover, when we trigger a WhatsApp with a proper button, obviously 90% of your customers are going to respond. So we have a unique functionality called RNR 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So people now will be able to follow the process and will be able to increase the connected calls instead of putting in RNR and last lead. So RNR is nothing but ringing no response leads. So with this beautiful system, you will be able to reduce your marketing expenses because of this, and you will be able to reduce the lead lost because of this, and customer will be completely engaged via calls, emails, and WhatsApp. These are the leading systems which can help your staffs to get connected to the customer in a very, very simple, easy, and effective way. Okay, now we are able to connect to your customers, and now what happens to the appointment? So I'm fixing up an appointment. So here you can see, like, what kind of appointment, whether it is a direct. So all these details can be filled up, but I would prefer a short form then. So I'm adding up an appointment. So if it is a online, you can put a meeting link as well. So as it is a direct, I'm putting the address. So all these fields are completely customizable as per your business needs. So we give you the standard system and we dedicated a person to understand your requirement in detail and train them, configure everything up to your satisfaction, and we ensure 100% project completion with your satisfaction. So there are 4 stages: confirm, completed, cancelled and postponed. So once you confirm, you can add up a confirmation. So as soon as you put a confirmed button, an email as well as WhatsApp is being sent to the customer. So that add value to your business, and you can see how many times you have met the customer and whatever status each time he has told you, and you can follow up. So in all single page, you know what's happening with the customer. It's the real customer relationship management software. Based on our 25 years of experience, we have simplified the system, but yet with the AI technology, we have made it very, very powerful and very user friendly. So once the appointment is completed, so you will be able to mark the appointment as completed. Once the appointment is completed, the customer will receive a feedback survey. So in that feedback survey, they can fill in the appointment about the executive, your products, your company. Based on that, you can decide whether he's going to be a customer, or you can take inputs from that feedback and you can complete the feedback loop. For example, in our company, after every demo, we take a feedback. After every sale, we take a feedback. After every onboarding or project completion, we take feedback, because we have grown to this stage only based on our customer feedback. Whether it is a positive or a corrective feedback, we are happy to take it, as well as you, if you are able to take it in the same way, if you collect more feedback, more inputs will scale your business to the rocket speed. So in the system, you have an option to create your quotation as well. So you can fill in all this information and you can create a beautiful quotation within just 2 minutes. So it's as simple as creating it's as simple as taking a beautiful photo in your smartphone. So it takes hardly 2 minutes to create a quote without any additional learning or effort. So this system completely covers pre-sales, sales and after sales. So in the pre-sales module, as you saw, like leads and appointments, and the sales, you have quotations and sales order. If you are having a customer and if you want to onboard them and if you want to fill up the order form, you can fill it up online. The next thing is serving your customers. For example, if your customer has purchased this type of machine, let's say 5 HP motor machine they have purchased. So as soon as they purchased, you can enter this as a sales order, and equipment number, everything can be entered in here. So once you enter the equipment number and sales order, you know how you are going to service the customer, whether it is a proactive maintenance or after sales maintenance, all can be captured here. So every time when a customer is having an issue, you know how he will be able to contact you. For example, he can raise a ticket through a website or email or a phone number. So all the tickets raised by a customer can be seen in a single area, which is called service tickets. So you can see how many open tickets are there and how many tickets are pending and what are the tickets you have completed. Again, as I mentioned, after each and every service ticket, you will be taking a feedback, which is the real feedback from the customer, which will help you to grow in a very, very fast and efficient way. So this is just an overview of the system, whatever I have been showing for. But we have developed this system for the past 12 years and we have tested this system with 12 plus industries, including manufacturing. A lot of companies are using the system in Coimbatore, Ambattur, Chennai, and across the globe, including leaders like L&T, Cobalco, Johnson Slips, PKR. kitchen equipments, like that. All the leaders are using this equipments for the past 5 to 10 years. So if you want to scale your business, or if you want to increase your efficiency in your business, definitely CRM is the best option. And that too, where you want to scale up in a fast and confident way, you should choose a reliable partner, which is RSoft. We not just provide you CRM, we help you to grow. We understand your requirements, we understand your pain point, we address your pain points and SOP, and ensure you scale up your business seamlessly in a very short possible time. So now we are going to see how the mobile app dear customer. So RSoft, I'm going to tell you after sales support as well. So before buying any software, you need to check how their support is, what's their track history, how long they have been in the market, and how much customers are using, and what kinds of customers they are using. So before going to RSoft, let me explain about software support. So we have a complete world-class onboarding system. So first of all, as soon as you book an order with software, so we dedicate a person who's expert in that industry. For example, you are into a manufacturing industry, we dedicate a person and create a WhatsApp group who's having a very good experience, handled at least 10 to 20 clients in that segment will be assigned to you. And to monitor and support him, we will assign a project manager, and we will assign a quality person who is going to check the quality and timely delivery of the project. So beyond which, I will, as a founder and CEO, I will also be in the group ensuring 100% customer satisfaction. So we take normally 1 to 2 weeks to completely configure flow, fields, modules, as well as integrate all the options and provide you training reports for the entire software. Once after 2 weeks, again, we will have a feedback call about our onboarding process. Once you're happy, your project will be moved to the support. Support, we have 365 days support, emergency support, and general business hours support as well. We can support you in every possible way. For example, you can raise a ticket, and within 2 to 4 hours you will get a response in the business hours. So you have a WhatsApp bot where you can chat directly, and you can have a WhatsApp bot support as well. So our business hours are completely Monday to Friday 10 to 6, Saturday 10 to 4. And we have given you the escalation matrix, including my email address. So I'm happy to help you, and we are, as a team, we will grow. And RSoft has a proven record of 12 years with its enterprise clients, and look forward for you to join RSoft family and have a great day ahead. Thank you.